Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can post GIFs on threads. I call it GIFs, maybe you probably call it GIFs. So guys, I'll show you guys how you can post it on threads. So first of all, you go over to your threads app, tap on your threads app to open it. So guys, we're on our threads app now. If you want to make a post, you want to post a gift, normally you tap on the post icon. You can see it there, tap on it. So guys, if you want to post GIFs on your thread, what you have to do is to tap on the clip icon there, tap on it, and it's going to take us to our gallery. So guys, but if you check through this gallery, what you're going to see is just photos and videos. You're not going to see any GIFs here. There are no GIFs here. So guys, you just have to know this because there is no GIFs option to actually upload GIFs on thread. If you check now, you won't see any of it. Maybe in the future there's going to be a GIFs option where you can just tap and upload your GIFs. But in this tutorial video today, I'm going to be showing you guys an alternative way that you can use to post GIFs on your thread app. For you to do that, you have to go over to your browser. If you can use your Opera Mini or Phoenix or Chrome, but I'm going to be using Chrome in this tutorial. Let me open my Chrome browser. Then you search for the GIFs that you want in your Chrome browser. Let me search for a funny GIF. Hey guys, let me go for this one over here. So what you have to do is to choose the GIF that you want, then you download it. Let me go ahead to download it. So guys, once you're done downloading the GIF from your browser, you go over to your gallery to confirm if it's there. You have to check it and to check if it's actually playing, if the GIF is actually playing. So let's tap on it. So guys, you can see the GIF is actually playing, is working. So we now have to head over to our threads app. Tap on your threads app to open it. So guys, now we're in our threads app again. So what you have to do is to tap on the clip icon again. So guys, you can see the video over there. What you have to do is to choose it. You can see that's the first one. Tap on it, then you tap on done. So guys, you can see our GIFs is playing, is working. So you can go ahead to add a text if you want. This is working. So guys, you can see, so when you're done, you tap on post. So guys, you can see posting. So guys, you can see posted. Let's go over to view it. So guys, you can see this is the latest post. You can see just now. It's very easy and quick, and this is how you can go ahead to post your GIFs on thread. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.